Hey everyone, it's Brittany, your makeup artist in MBA, and my son Aryk is here.
Hi. To
do our first session of Makeup Mommy. So this is going to be something that's going to be a regular on our channel. Aryk's really excited to shoot it because he loves watching YouTube and wants to be a YouTuber, and he loves doing my makeup. So today's look is called Trees and Water. Kind of put that there so you can sort of see. So this is a face chart he came up with about a week or so ago. So Aryk, why don't you explain to them what your look is about?
It's about
just tell them what it's about.
It's about a giraffe almost is far away from the water. It's raining and the tree is getting wet.
Okay. Aryk loves giraffes. So like April, did you know that, Aryk?
Mm-hmm.
April the giraffe is going to have another baby.
Yay!
Yeah. So his little sister Aurora was born around the same time April had her baby. So I felt like April because I was like stuck in the hospital on bed rest the whole time while April was like in her little cage. So April is a really big part, I guess, of our family, you could say. So some of the products we're going to be using today, this is my greens palette and blues palette. So we have Makeup Forever, we have some Cozzette shades in here, and some MAC shades, but primarily the bigger circles are all Makeup Forever, and these square ones right here are Cozzette. And then we have the Stila Shimmer and Glow Vivid Jade. And we have the Lemonhead Crystal Tokyo Spacejam, which if you've never used this product, it is awesome. I've had this one for a while now. It's really great. And this one actually has craft glitter in, so you're not supposed to use it in the eye area, but Aryk will put it on the face. And then we have the Aurora palette from Anastasia. And then we have one of my favorite lipsticks, the Yves Saint Laurent.
And the color's cool.
And Aryk says the color is cool. It is 62NDOH number 6. And it's the VOLUPTÉ TINT-IN-BALM. So, and then we have a selection of makeup brushes. I just grabbed a few of my clean ones. So we have some Real Techniques brushes, Crown, various other little things. And then for mascara, which I will be putting on because he's 6, I don't trust a 6-year-old put on mascara. I have the Marc Jacobs and then my Kevin Aucoin eyelash curler. So Aryk, why don't you go ahead and get started? So what are you going to do first?
The bucket.
Okay, so you're taking the Lemonhead Space Paste. I'll just hold it up.
And this is with, it's this brush.
Why are you picking this brush?
Because then it will be more bucket shaped.
Okay. Okay, Mommy's going to zoom in a little bit so I can see what you're doing. Here, Mommy, turn this way so the camera can see. Why do you like doing Mommy's makeup, Aryk?
Because it feels like you are doing, it makes me love you so much.
Oh. It's so weird to have your makeup done when you're used to always doing other people's makeup. Then when you get it done, it's like so awkward feeling. It's relaxing though, but
Where do I put it?
Just set the dirty brushes here. Okay, so that's quite a lot of on there. Okay, Aryk, what's your next step?
It is this.
You're going to use the blue and green palette?
No, just the green.
Just the green? Okay, well, Mommy will hold this open for you.
The pens are supposed to be this.
Okay, and you're using the crown.
No, it's this. This is.
Okay, that's another crown brush. It's
But
kind
then,
of like a, and that one's a Cozzette. It's a really pretty shade of green. I'll hold it up for you guys in just a second. It's a Cozzette Matte Shadow in Abundant. And I also love when he does this too, because we've done this a couple times since he was a little kid, and it's so interesting to watch kids who don't have any notions about products, consistency, textures, and just seeing how they blend the makeup, and it's really inspiring. So I hope this inspires you to let your kids play with your makeup. Are you done with that palette? Or just for right now? Okay, let mommy open this one. So this Anastasia palette accidentally hit the floor, so that's why I'm also letting him use it. I did get another one, but... So right now he's using Luna, which is like the top middle color, and putting it on the Real Techniques powder brush. Okay, that's good. Don't press too hard.
Relax you when you...
Okay, did you want to do anything on this side of the face? Okay, he's using more Luna.
It's really relaxing.
It's really relaxing for you? That's good. Okay, so what's the next product you want to use?
This.
This is the Stila, their brand new like gemstone color collection that they just came out with. I really love the Stila, oops, yep, just like that, Aryk.
Where does
the
it
Stila.
go?
This, well, it's supposed to be liquid eyeshadow, but you can kind of use it to paint anywhere. These are a lot like the Armani ones. I actually like these better because they're less expensive. They come in a lot more shades too, so... Here's Snuggies, let me get her hair out of the way. So these are really pretty. I have 4 of these shades so far. I have like their Barbie pink one, this color, the blue color, and the purple. And I would say performance-wise, they work better than the Armani. I'm forgetting the name. I'll have to write it in the comments below, but they work really good. And man, I've used Stila since I was 17, when they used to have like their eyeshadows come in the little like cardboard, like almost like compacts where you'd like have to twist the top off, and sometimes you couldn't get it off. And so, okay, this is the Yves Saint Laurent. And I love Yves Saint Laurent lipsticks. They're like that. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Snuggies. Okay, thank you. Ooh. Got you jammed at the top on, but yeah, that's what happens when you let your kids do your makeup. Yeah, I know you didn't mean it. But I love these lipsticks. So if you're a mom and you're kind of racing out the door, these are the best. Like especially with these ones that are the Tint-In-BALM. They moisturize and they give you kind of that really nice just berry lip, and they come in a ton of shades. You can even, if you buy them on the YSL Beauty website, they will actually engrave them for you too, so that's kind of like the next thing I'm gonna do. But I absolutely adore, this is more of the Lemonhead Space Paste, or Spacejam, I can't remember which one it is, but love these, love these, love these. Absolutely must have. If you're a lip balm wearer and you want a little bit more color, these are great for that too. But I have I just cleaned out my purse last night and I had 5 shades of these in my purse. So, okay, so that we got a little bit more glitter action going on. Spacejam, Crystal Tokyo. So I'll zoom in a little bit so you guys can kind of see what Aryk's doing so far. So for my base, I just have a little bit of the Charlotte Tilbury foundation on. And, ooh, that highlighter looks really good, Aryk. Okay, so now he's grabbing a little bit of the Spectra from the Anastasia Aurora kit. What are you painting now, Aryk?
It's like the gate to feed the giraffe leaves.
Okay, the gates to feed the giraffe leaves.
It's like,
why do you like giraffes so much?
Because they have really good colors. They have different colors on.
Okay. There's a park in Africa where you can actually go and the giraffes like live on this preserve, and you've probably seen the video. It was like viral on Facebook for a while, and the giraffes will like come in through the windows and like eat off the tables and all that kind of stuff. So hopefully one day you guys keep subscribing, we'll be able to go there. Maybe do a video there with the giraffes eating your breakfast. Would they eat waffles? Do you think giraffes eat waffles?
I think so.
You think so? Get on camera.
What is this green?
That green, let's see. This is, oh, don't blow on your brush. That makes the germs go around. This is, I believe, either Makeup Forever or Stila. Nope, that's Makeup Forever. Not sure on the number, it doesn't have it on the back of the pan, but it's kind of this lighter green color. So one thing, Aryk, when you do makeup, you always want to step back a little bit and check your work and make sure it's even on both sides. So now you're picking up some blue. Which some of these Makeup Forever shades are like so intense. They will, these are the older formulation, not the brand new one that they just came out with. Okay, that's good, Aryk. That's a lot of product. Shake off the brush. Tap, tap. Thank you. This is the shade he's using now. What is this part you're doing right now?
This is the rain.
The rain? What's this big shape right here?
That's the door. That's where you get the leaves from.
Oh, the leaves from to feed the giraffes? So last year, did you do my makeup last year, or was it the year before that?
Yeah, the other Halloween, when I was at school in kindergarten.
Yeah, he did my Halloween makeup last year because I was so busy doing clients. I was booked up. So what are you guys going to be for Halloween this year? I think I'm going to do Lady Gaga from American Horror Story. So I'm going to do the one with the robe. And I know she wore the black glove with that look, but I like the silver one better. And it's easier to find. I got some of the pieces coming from Etsy, so I'll shoot a video and show you guys how I'm going to make that. So are you almost done? What do you think?
Almost done.
Almost done?
Because I need to use all the brushes.
Oh, you need to use all the brushes. Okay. So when Aryk was a little kid, well, he still is little, but even smaller, he loved makeup so much. Like, he would sneak in my office, much like Gaga does now, our baby, except she goes after all my Chloe Isabel jewelry, not so much my makeup. But he would go after the Urban Decay electric palette, so I literally had to like hide it on the highest shelf because he would dig through my kit and find it and paint himself with it. So,
and here's the one that I was using.
Okay. Oh, a little bit over more. Very good. And that one is a matte color, I believe. It's little. Actually, no, it's not a matte color. I think it's from one of the Makeup Forever holiday palettes a long time ago. Like 2 years ago. What are you painting now?
This is the trail to get to the vending machine.
The vending machine?
Mm-hmm, right here where I get the leaves.
Oh, okay.
There's the end.
That's the end? Okay, so can you sit down next to me and explain to everyone what your look is and what you did? Okay, look into the camera.
It's called Rain with the Ground.
That was trees and water.
Trees and water.
Yep.
And this is the design. Perfect. It looks beautiful.
It looks beautiful. Mm-hmm. So this is his abstract art called Water in the Trees. Oh, Aryk, come back here. No, we're not done yet. Okay, come sit down. So if you guys like this video, please subscribe. Stand up a little bit. There you go. Please subscribe and post any comments you like below. If you have more requests for Makeup Mommy with Aryk, things you'd like to see, let us know. What do you want this video to get? How many subscribers?
100.
100 subscribers? How many views do you want to get?
100.
100? He's like any kid that watches YouTube so much, he's like, Mommy, you need that YouTube, the Silver Award. I'm like, that's for 100,000 subscribers. So yeah, we're just starting, so we're not there yet. But thank you, Aryk. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
And I hope you guys have a great day, and we'll talk to you more later. Bye.
Bye.